Heavy overnight rain caused the small village of Ewyas Harold to face rapidly rising water along the Dulles Brook, which skirts the settlement and has broken its banks in several low-lying areas. One local chip shop had water surging inside, forcing staff to evacuate and prompting neighbors to move vehicles to higher ground. Some properties near the brook are already reporting seepage into basements and ground floors. Road access to the main street has been restricted as floodwater covers the surface and conceals debris and potholes. Emergency services and local volunteers are patrolling the village, marking off unsafe zones and helping residents move essential items from at-risk homes. Motorists are urged to avoid the approach roads to Ewyas Harold unless absolutely necessary, as standing water is deeper than it appears and swift currents remain in small drainage channels. The local council has opened a temporary rest center in the village hall, offering shelter, warm drinks, and basic supplies for anyone who may need to leave their home due to the flooding. The forecast suggests more rainfall today and tomorrow, raising concerns that the Dulles Brook could peak again. With further disruption, possible residents are advised to follow all warnings, avoid submerged roads and paths, and contact the emergency hotline if they need help or notice new flooding.
This is our bridge.